Surprise, mother.
Oh, Olivia, what are you doing here?
Today, I'm at Messermeister headquarters, and I have an announcement. As of right now, I'm taking over Messermeister as CEO. So whatever you're working on, cancel it. Yo, you got a attitude over there. First order of business, ladies. We're making a new knife. My knife.
Fantastic.
Yay! Hell yeah, ladies. Yep. Clap.
How badly can she it up? Seriously.
What do you actually do here?
I'm the customer support.
I don't know what that is. You're my assistant now. My assistant, Allie. Work in progress. I want this knife to look sexy. This is a knife that works overtime. The OT knife. Something fell. I want it to be sharper. Don't forget the olive wood handle.
She reorganized the knives in the warehouse by vibes.
Sexier. The sharpest. Not too big, not too small. Yeah. You see this? This knife is insane. It'll cut anything. An intruder, our shipping times.
I don't care what it takes. She wants the knife out this fall.
Profit margins.
Two then.
I think this is a great move for us.
What the? I had to cut my vacation short for this. What are you doing? Have you been paying the checks? Are you taking care of the ROIs? Are you taking care of the forecasting?
I don't know what any of that is. You know, maybe I don't want to do this anyway.
Take the bourbon with you.
I will take the bourbon with me. And nice tits.
I'll miss you.
Hello, this is Messermeister.
Sister, why are there so many of these knives in our warehouse?
I don't know.
Oh, I think you do.